For a couple of days now, I'm unable to come online. I have a very terrible, bad internet connection. Okay, and Facebook require a stable internet connection. So today, I'm kind of putting three things together. Okay, and I'm very sure that this is going to worth your time today. Okay, I'm going to put three things together. What are the three things I'm going to put together? I'm going to put together Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, as well as SEO. I hope you guys are ready for me today. Right. So today, actually, I'm going to be doing day 13, 14, and 15. And we're getting close to the 17th when we launch our Operation 1,500 per month. Okay, so let me see who I have this beautiful afternoon in the city of Lagos. I have Adebayo Hussein. Adebayo Hussein, my brother, a long time. How's your wife? I have Bamidele Lekon. Thank you for joining this afternoon. I have Adiogun Adebo Ale. So sharp. Well done, sir. Good afternoon. So, in no time, the next 15 minutes, let me see how I can maximize the next 15 minutes to talk about these three things. So, first of all, I'm going to start with Instagram marketing. A lot of us are on Instagram, okay? And we use Instagram very well. So, I'm going to be telling you some stuff that you need to do with your Instagram page, which is going to make your Instagram a kind of not just a page, but a place where you can sell yourself, you can sell your idea, you can sell your product, and you can sell your service, and people can reach you, even people that you don't know from anywhere. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing this afternoon. So things I'm going to be pointing out, like 5 tips that you need to do on your Instagram. First, number 1, you need to change your profile name. Some of us, your profile name can be like me. I don't just put profile name like Shiyomotoday, right? How many people know Shiyomotoday? What people are looking for is the product or services. So if you check my Instagram page, so you will see something like Techie Digital Marketing. Techie Digital Marketer, right? So when somebody is looking for digital marketer, your profile name is like a keywords, right? So Techie Digital Marketer. Then still on the bio, at least you listed stuff like that you are doing, stuff like digital marketing, web development, online making money. Any of the services that you are doing is also good for you to list them. So that is on number 1 point for me for you guys on Instagram marketing. Then after that, we can move to what we call using a link direct on your bio. So you can use some link directly on your bio, right? The link can be a link to the website, it can be to a landing page of the particular products or services that you are offering at that particular moment in time, right? So that can also be the link to that, which is very important. And I don't know what's wrong with our Instagram posts now that we still have to be putting all our link bio, right? Okay, so you can just put that on the account for people to see, and they can link outside the campaign that you are running outside Instagram. Okay, the number 3 for me today on Instagram marketing is use text on your image, right? Don't just post image, and when you are posting an image, make sure you perfect the image perfectly, right? So you can visit my Instagram, www.instagram.com. Put it on the comment section before I move on. My Instagram, okay, typing it right now, Instagram. So you can see the sample of what I'm talking about. Instagram.com/software. Okay, so you can check it. Instagram.com/software. So you see exactly what I'm talking about when you get to that on Instagram. So when you are posting the image, you need to post a nice image, nice design, visual capture. Visual capture is very important. An image that you need to capture people's image in the first 3 seconds. It's very important, and it's also good that you put the text on your images, right? So if you need me, then number 4, which is very important for me personally, and that's a lot of things that I'll be doing. Use video, and when you use video, add text in your video. Okay, you need to visually grab people's attention, right? Visually grab people's attention. That's just attention grabber is very important. So right now, when it comes to social media generally, not only Instagram, so you need to always ready to grab people's attention within the first 3 seconds that they visit your page. So you check my Instagram page, 70% of my Instagram page is on video. This video, you see it live on Instagram in a couple of minutes. Okay, get some hashtag. With this hashtag, I'll be able to have followers, people that I don't know, people that need a business, people that are DMing, right? So with the use of hashtag, which is very important, is another way for other people to discover you, right? So apart from changing your profile name, which is first one, to what you do, right? The next, another one that also allow people to discover you and what you are doing is your Instagram hashtag. So quickly, let me run through what I discussed about the Instagram. I said the first thing is your profile, the second thing is a link in your bio, the third one is use text around the image, the fourth one, video is very important, the fifth one, the hashtag. Okay, so quickly I'll move into Twitter marketing. So what do we have on the Twitter marketing? A lot of guys are like, what do I do on Twitter? Okay, is it only for a particular set of people? No. So Instagram and Twitter has a kind of an open hashtag way of working. Open hashtag, okay, I think that's the best way I can put it for you guys. It simply means when you hashtag something that somebody also have an interest on, that kind of people tend to actually connect with what you do. So the number one thing I'm going to give you a tip on Instagram is hashtag. So how do you research for hashtag? You can even go to Google. Maybe for example you are into food processing, you can just type on Google current trending hashtag on food processing. You will see a whole lot of hashtags. If you are into painting, okay, you're an artist on painting, you can just have hashtag for painting, right? You see a whole lot of hashtags. Copy those things, put it somewhere. So anytime you are posting your images or picture, you don't just post it, you post it alongside the hashtag. That's the first one that I have for you on Twitter. It's very, very important. How do I do this? From my Instagram, since I already have a hashtag for my text, images, whatever, or video on the Instagram, I just share it directly so I can still work perfectly. The number two stuff for you today on the tips I'm going to give you on the Twitter is you need to put a period, otherwise known as full stop, period, before you write at. For example, when you are replying somebody, you put dots, right? That's period sign, dots, put it, then you write at the name of the person that you want to tag on that comment when you are replying such video. What does that period sign do? It makes your tweet go entirely public, okay? To make it public. But if you just write at, let's assume at Subweb, I'm the only one that will, but when you put dots at particular Andrew, it's make it entirely public for everybody. Then the other thing is following and follower. Your some people like when you follow them, they're expecting you to follow them. It's not necessarily stuff that you need to do, but with the power of hashtag, you can see people that follow you. But it's also good to follow people that follow you, especially if you are getting started. Then the next thing on Twitter is branding is very important. You have your banner. Your banner has to be very, very, very intact. Picture itself has to be very intact. Then you need to have your information about what you are doing on your banner and on your bio. The name on your bio should have to be related to the name. Your name of your bio must be your real name, not just any fake name. Then still on that, your bio, it's very important that you listed a couple of things that you like on bio. You still stuff like web development, digital marketing, application, and you see rap or nothing, stuff like that. Okay, I just try to have their hobby and some other thing. Then you can also make sure that you schedule a tweet. Okay, so schedule a tweet like you want to keep people going, so you need to schedule a tweet like you want to put like 3 tweets in a day, while people that are following, so that you continue relevant with your tweets. Okay, so that's what I have for you on Instagram and Twitter. Let me quickly see who I have again. I have Infotech. I call Infotech Patricia. Adigun Abiodun, thank you for joining this beautiful afternoon. So quickly, let me move to SEO. What is SEO? Search engine optimization, and why is this very important? Okay, search engine optimization in short, okay, is a set rules that is need to be followed in order to optimize and improve your website ranking. Okay, it's a set rule that need to be followed in order to optimize and improve your website ranking. How does it work? For example, now if you go to Google now, you're searching for like a web hosting company, you have software, right? That's the power of SEO. Then again, if you search for digital marketing institute, you see besides that, you also see on video section. Search engine optimization is not only on the search result right now, you have on the search text search, you also search on news, you have it on the image, you have it on the map, which is created by Google My Business, GMU. Then you also have it on the videos, right? So why is it important? So why is it so good? The majority of search engine users are more likely to click on the one of the top 5 related search. So that's very, very important. Okay, it's very, very, very important. And SEO is not just only about It's not only about just a good search engine, okay? The practice, the search engine practice that you need to do. Because experience is also very, very important when it comes to SEO. So when it comes to SEO again, users trust search engine, okay? Users trust search engine very, very well. I'm just talking about the importance why you need to do SEO. Users trust search engine. Any result that you see from Google, right? Maybe you search something on the first one, on the first page, you believe that these people are really, really in the business. These people are the top people in the business. So SEO is very, very important with that. Then SEO is good for social promotion of your website as well. Okay, when people click on the SEO, they land on the website, they also get to the page where you have your social media link there. Then SEO is also important for smooth running of your website. SEO can put your website ahead of the competition, and that has happened to us so many places. So when it comes to SEO, I'm going to talk about 5 key important elements that you need to take note when it comes to SEO. The first one is your image must be SEO friendly. What do I mean? When you are naming image, you don't just name it, for example, let's say click on person's color. You don't just give it color. So you name it, your image must be a keyword name. Keywords simply means a keyword you respect to the kind of product or services that you offer. So you have to be, no matter how long it is. Then SEO plugins, okay, is very, very important. You have some open source technology like Joomla, like OpenCart, like WordPress. You need to do SEO like all SEO bar, videos, and the rest. The meta description is very, 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 very important. It says that when your website show up on the first page of Google, the description that I have on the meta description is what people will read about your company. Just write a kind of summary of what you do about your company. Then keyword placement as well. So when you are placing your keyword, you don't just limit your keyword placement within the keyword section of your head tag. You also need to put it on some other stuff like maternity tag and some other things that we have. Okay. Link relative is very, very, very important. Link relative strategies. Okay. When you are talking about your business, let's have your link. When you have a link on Twitter, your link on the Instagram, your link on the Facebook, across social media and such, across social media, you also have within some other respective sites, blog that are calling your name. So these are very, very, very important. And quickly, before I round up this beautiful afternoon in the city of Lagos, Nigeria, I will talk about mistakes people make when it comes to SEO. Okay, the number one mistake is not using keywords correctly. Number 2 reason is try to fool search engine spider. You can do that. The number 3 is that using Flash. Okay, search engine cannot read the content inside the Flash animation. Search engine cannot read it. Okay, so you don't embed Flash on the website that you want to find an SEO. Okay, using your company name alone on the tag, that is not. People don't know your company. What people are looking for is your service. Using slash page, okay? Using slash page, okay? So there will be nothing for spider to index when it comes to using slash page. There's nothing for the spider, okay? Web spider, okay? Search engine web spider to index when you have a whole lot of slash, especially when it comes to your first page, okay? I think these are the things that I have for you on the 13, 14, 15 13 days challenge. Tomorrow I'm sure for the day 16 before we get to the deal day, which is the 17th. We're talking about operation $1,100. So guys, this I've talked about Instagram, about Twitter marketing, and we ended up with search engine optimization. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, drop your comment in the comment section of this video.